Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're using DaVinci Resolve and you'd like to export a video project, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so and what settings you should be using for your specific project. So let's dive in. So what we want to do is make sure that we're going up to File, the top of our screen, and you're looking for Import, and from here we're going to look for Media. Now the reason I'm going through this is while I'm choosing this, as it comes into DaVinci Resolve, it says change project frame rate. Now this is important when exporting because the project details in terms of the frame rate and the resolution will define how you export. So the frame rate is different, so I'm going to say change my project frame rate. So now I have my imported media and I'm going to click down and I can add it to my timeline. Once I've added it to my timeline and I've edited the video, I'm happy with it. I can now go down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see a toolbar running here, and you're going to go all the way to the end and it says deliver. Now once you tap on this deliver tab, a new window will open, and here you will be able to deliver the work that you have just produced. So on the top left hand side, you've got a whole bunch of preset export settings. What we want to do is stay away from all of the presets and go to custom export. Now from custom export, we want to give the file a name and we want to choose where we are going to save this file. We also have the option to render the entire video, a single clip or individual clips. We are going to also choose video and not audio. And then the format over here where it says QuickTime, we want to make sure that this says MP4 and the codec can stay at H.264. We can leave the encoder as auto. And then we want to go down to resolution and we want to make sure that this resolution is the same resolution as what the project media is. So if your project media is in 4K, you can go down here and you can use the 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. And if it's in 1080, which is HD, we want to choose this one right over here. We want to then also adjust the frame rate, and the frame rate again is important. So whatever your project or your media's frame rate is, you want to make sure that you are keeping it at that frame rate to get the best quality out of your video. So from the next section here, you want to make sure that quality is not on automatic, but it is on this restricted to. And if you're moving with a video that is in 1080p, then you want to make sure that this is around about 80 to 85,000 kilobits per second. If you are exporting at 4K, you want to make sure that this rate is 90,000 at a minimum, but to be safe, 95,000 kbs. Once we're done, we are going to click down here on Add to Render Queue. Now, basically what this will do is throw it into the render queue, and you can go on and produce another video within this project or another project altogether. When you are done, you're going to click on Render All or just render individual videos within this queue, and then it'll be downloaded to your device right over here to the space that you have chosen. Now, if you want to learn more DaVinci Resolve tips and tricks, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome video. So we'll see you over there.